up, y'all? Today, putting the fenders on. Got the twin right there. Look at them running. Yeah, I gotta mark them up so I can cut them, fit around the brackets. It's my old one. Copy that a little. Alright, so y'all, so far, cut out the brackets on the side. We'll cut out some of the fiberglass so I can fit around the brackets. Cut a little too much, but I'm gonna do better on the other one. Left a little room so I can get it around, but the clearance is good. Shit, a little dirty. It's the outcome. It's looking good though. Looking good. Trying to measure, see how high I want each one right now. So just playing with it before I bolt it all down. Oh, she coming. Got the other good one right. I don't be playing, boy. Maybe we're gonna look back. Y'all see I got one down. One more to go, y'all. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Woo. Got the fenders back on. Took a little minute, but my baby back right though. Take a look up. Good distance. Oh, gangster look. That's what I'm talking about.